And the second one is international place value chart. International place value chart. So these are the two different types of place value charts. So these two place value charts very helpful in writing number names for the given number and in writing expanded notations for the given number. So let us discuss about Indian place value chart. So about Indian place value chart. So what are the places in Indian place value chart? So what are the places contained in Indian place value chart? So in Indian place value chart, the start with ones and tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So these are the places in Indian place value chart. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So again, these two places together are called lakhs period. This is 10 lakhs and lakhs. These two periods together called lakhs period. And these two places, that is 10,000 and 1,000 places together called thousands period. Thousand period. And these three places, that is hundreds, tens and ones, these three places together called ones period. So this is the Indian place value chart. So ones, tens, hundreds, these three places together called ones period. And thousands, 10,000s, these two places together called thousands period. And lakhs, 10 lakhs, these two places together called lakhs period. So these are called periods and these are called places. So periods and places. So these are the periods and places in Indian place value chart. So in ones period there are three places, ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period there are two places, that is thousands and 10,000s place. So in lakhs period there are two places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So by using these periods we can put commas. So we can put commas after each period in the given number. So after ones period we have to put one comma, and after thousands period we have to put another comma, and after lakhs period we have to put another comma. So by using these periods we can put commas in the given number. So in Indian place value chart, the first comma should be placed after 3 digits. And second comma should be placed after 2 digits, and next comma will also be placed after 2 digits. So that is, for example, if a number is given like this, a 5-digit number is given like this, 57265. So first we have to put commas, that is the first comma should be placed after 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds, because these 3 places together called ones period. So we have to put first comma after 3 digits, 1, tens, hundreds, put 1 comma. So let us see another example, a 6-digit number 10, so 432105. So how to put commas? The first comma should be placed after 3 digits, because the first period contains 3 places. That's why we have to put first comma after 3 places, that is 1, 2, 3. And second comma should be placed after thousands period. The thousands period contains 2 digits, so the second comma should be placed after 2 places, that is 1, 2. So this is the way of putting commas in the Indian place value chart. That is, we have to put commas like this. So this is the Indian place value chart. By using this place value chart, we can put commas easily, and we can write number names for the given numbers, and we can easily write the expanded notation. So the second one is international place value chart. So international place value chart. International place value chart. International place value chart. So in international place value chart, there will be also different places, and the places will also be start from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Next, millions and 10 millions. That means TM means 10 millions, and 100 millions, HM 100 millions. So these are the different places in international place value chart. So first one is ones place and tens place. This is hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, 100,000s place, millions place, 10 millions place, and 100 millions place. So in these places, the first three places, that is ones place, tens place, and hundreds place, these three places together called ones place. And the next two places, that is thousands place, 10,000s place, and 100,000s place, the next three places together called thousands place. And the next three places, that is millions place, 10 millions place, 100 millions place, these three places together called millions period. So this is the international place value chart. So in international place value chart, there are also different periods like Indian place value chart. So that is ones period. The ones period contains again three places, ones, tens, hundreds. And second period is thousands period. This thousand period also contains three places, that is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and next period is millions period. This millions period also contains three places, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So by using these periods, we have to put commas in the given number. So in the given number, we have to put commas according to the places in the periods. Thus the first comma should be placed after 3 digits. Because the first comma should be placed after ones period, second comma should be placed after thousands period, third comma should be placed after millions period. So that means the first comma should be placed after 3 digits, and second comma should be placed also after 3 digits, and third comma also should be placed after 3 digits. So in international place value chart, we will put commas after every 3 digits from the right side. For example, they have given a number like this. So this is a 5-digit number. So we have to put commas according to international place value chart. We have to put first comma after ones period. In ones period, there are 3 places. The first comma should be placed after 3 places. 1, 2, 3. That means ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So put first comma. And next comma should be placed after 3 places, but there are only 2 places. That's why there is no need to put second comma. So this is ones period, and this is thousands period. So let us see another example. A 6-digit number just like this given. So So put comma after 3 places, that is ones period. So ones period contains 3 places. So the first comma should be placed after 3 places, that is ones, tens, hundreds. And second comma should be also placed after 3 places, that is thousands period, 1, 2, 3. So there are no next places, that is no need to place another comma. So this is thousands period and this is ones period. So 435,702, and this number also can be read as 75,676. So this is the international place value chart, and this is the way of putting commas in international place value chart. By using these commas, we can easily write the number names for the given numbers. So this is international place value chart. So this is about place value chart. The